Row 9 is called header of this data table. To make it clear and more visible, I format it. Highlight the row 9 cells. In Home tab, Font Group, first change the background color of these cells. Click Font Color button. I select this color. Then click Bold button. To change the width of these cells, click column A heading. Press mouse and drag to column L heading. Move your pointer at any column heading right vertical border. Double click. The width of cell is changed. Now you can see header is more visible than other text inside the worksheet.